Michelle, my friends. Welcome back. I'm super happy to see you because I have something very special to share with you all, which is a new bag that I got from Amazon and my trusty weapon to open the package with. So let's start because I'm trying to make my videos just a little bit shorter so that I don't get complaints from people. So let's go with this. By the way, I will link this Amazon bag in my link tree as always. So we'll see, you'll find it there. Okay? Oh, I don't know what's going on with Rapunzel here, but anyway, that's something that I can fix. Oh, it bothers me. So, yeah. Sometimes if you have curly hair, well, if you have curly hair, then you'll understand the situation because it sort of has a mind of its own. So, oh, this one is very, okay, got it. So it comes out with this dust bag. I wouldn't say it's a really good quality dust bag, but it's better than some. So let's try this. I'm super excited about this bag because it's very different. I don't have one like it. It has different pattern on it. Oh my, it's really wrapped very well. Let's try and open this without torturing myself. Oh. This is so beautiful, my friends. Let's see if I can open this without torturing myself. Oh, it's a little bit tough. Oh, yeah, got it. Okay, so it has a, I wouldn't say it's a crossbody. Oh, yes, okay, it's adjustable. So let's see. I will try and show you without taking this all off and taking your time. But it comes with this adjustable strap here. So it has, oh, it has a lot of little adjustments in there. That's nice. And it has this pattern. It doesn't have a metal clasp on it, but it comes like this. This is very beautiful. I can't believe what I paid for this on Amazon. Incredible. I will have to let it set with something heavy in the bag to stretch out the strap itself, because after it's wrapped and packaged, it always comes with these little knots on it, and I think I went through that before. I don't like these knots, but anyway, this is the top of the strap. Lots of room for adjustment. So what I will do with it is shorten it so it will fit around my shoulder. My friends, it's real leather. Shocking. Okay, and so it comes with this kind of a zipper and this little pull tab on it. That's very nice. And let's open the inside. Okay, so it comes with stuffing. Oh, stuffing here. And two little silicone patches. Okay, we're doing good. And this is the inside. Yes, it has a little pocket here. It's very nice, actually. It's small on the inside, smaller than I expected. But I think all of my stuff will fit in there perfect. And this is actually the design of the bag. It's really very beautiful. The leather itself feels like patent leather, like it's super shiny and slippery, but the feel of the leather is very, very nice. And it has a very particular pattern to it. And this is the bottom of it, so it has a strap here. So you can see. The color, I think they said, was elephant or slate. It really looks like bone or a light, soft beige color. And it's very pretty. I love it. Yeah. And the inside again, little pocket here. Well, you can see it or not. I'm getting tangled, but there it is in the pocket. And the inside. I'm really, really excited. It came in 3 different colors. So this was the neutral color. Then it came with a brown, which was more of a an orangey shaded brown, and then it came with black. I really was interested in this one, and also the black one I think would be also gorgeous, but this is very pretty. So my friends, that's my unboxing today. I hope you liked it. Please let me know in the comment section below if you liked it, if you didn't like it, or would you be interested in buying one like this too? Or you would pass. So my friends, I'll let you go today, but I will see you again tomorrow, because tomorrow is my injection day and my weigh-in day, and I'm super excited about that. So I'll see you all again tomorrow. Mwah. Ciao everyone. Enjoy your day.